Imagine this, you're holding your entire crypto portfolio, every single digital asset you own, in the palm of your hand. No seed phrases scribbled on scraps of paper, no complex software installations, just a physical card, sleek and secure. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's Tangem, and it's changing the way people think about crypto security. We've all heard the horror stories. Lost seed phrases, hacked exchanges, the constant anxiety of wondering if your digital wealth is truly safe. Traditional crypto storage solutions, while powerful, often come with a steep learning curve and a nagging feeling of vulnerability. You're essentially trusting lines of code and passwords, hoping they'll hold up against the ever-evolving threats of the digital world. But what if you could bridge the gap between the convenience of a hot wallet and the security of a cold wallet, without the usual headaches? That's where Tangem comes in. It's not just another piece of hardware, it's a paradigm shift. So, how does this magic card actually work? Let's dive in. At its core, Tangem is a smart card. Think of it like a credit card, but instead of storing your bank details, it stores your private keys. These keys, the essential access codes to your cryptocurrency, are generated and securely stored within the card's chip. And here's the kicker, these keys never leave the card. They're protected by an EAL6 Plus certified secure element, the same level of security used in government-issued IDs and passports. This means your keys are isolated from the outside world, making them virtually impervious to hacking. But how do you actually interact with it? It's surprisingly simple. You'll need the Tangem app, available on both iOS and Android. When you first set up your wallet, you'll tap your card against your phone using NFC, the same technology used for contactless payments. This establishes a secure connection and allows the app to communicate with the card. The app generates your private keys on the card itself, not on your phone or any cloud server. This is crucial for security. Once generated, these keys are permanently locked within the chip. You can then use the app to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies. Each transaction requires you to tap your card against your phone, verifying your ownership and authorizing the transfer. What about backup? Tangem addresses this with multiple cards. You can clone your wallet onto multiple cards, creating instant backups. If you lose one card, you can simply use another to recover your funds. No seed phrases to memorize or store. This simplicity is what sets Tangem apart. It's designed for everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. You don't need to be a crypto wizard to use it. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and most importantly, secure. And it supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to various ERC-20 tokens. This versatility makes it a comprehensive solution for managing your entire portfolio. The physical nature of the card also adds a layer of tangible security. You can see it, touch it, and know that your digital assets are stored in a secure, physical location. It's a peace of mind that software alone simply cannot replicate. Tangem is not just about security, it's about accessibility. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their digital wealth without the fear and complexity that often comes with it. It's about bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds, creating a seamless and secure experience for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.